Is this an Apple story or a China story?
Yeah, well, invariably, it's going to be a bit of both, like so many companies on the planet. I mean, where I usually sit in Berlin, we talk about this with all the executives that sell massively into China, whether it's car makers or chips or all that sort of thing. Everyone's been talking about a rebound in the back half of the year for 2 years. It just has not come. And you see that weakness now. You see it in China, and you see it in the sales. I mean, down 24%, Francine, iPhone sales in just the first 6 weeks of the year is absolutely mammoth. This is the biggest smartphone market in the world. So there is yes, that question. Of course, Apple is selling a premium product. When you have a lot of competitors that have a much better price point, I mean, Apple has been eroding market share. They're down now to about 16% of the market share in China. They were at 19% last year, and they're losing more ground steadily. But overall, you know, the overall market for smartphones was down also 7%. So there is definite weakness that is coming across the market.
So why did rivals in China, what did they do differently that actually did better than Apple?
Well, one of the main issues is going to be exactly that question of the premium. There are cheaper phones, but they're also very good phones, and there's also a huge amount of effort and energy in China to really get that tech independence and to sort of raise up its own producers of phones. So, for example, you know, there's this question of patriotic buying, right? Huawei came out with this new phone that the state media was really touting, saying that this is really a great response to U.S. sort of tech and chip supremacy. And Huawei, in those 6 weeks, while everybody was down, their sales were up 64%. Which is absolutely mammoth. And we should also say that this has sort of eclipsed the story, but for Apple, they have a problem in China. They've got a problem here in Brussels too with this huge fine that's coming down the pipeline. So these are all things to watch as Apple will face problems in China and more regulatory scrutiny here in Brussels.